Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open the Mac terminal. Let's start with the quickest method, Spotlight Search. Simply press the Command key and the spacebar together to bring up the search bar. Then, type the word terminal and hit the return key. This will instantly launch the application, getting you ready to execute commands in just a few seconds. It's a super efficient way to access this powerful tool. Another reliable way to open Terminal is through the Finder. First, click on the Finder icon in your dock. From the Finder sidebar, select Applications. Inside the Applications folder, you'll find a folder named Utilities. Open this folder and there you will see the Terminal application. Just double-click its icon and a new terminal window will appear, ready for your input. This method is great if you prefer a visual approach. For even quicker access, consider adding Terminal to your dock. Once you've opened it via Spotlight or Finder, its icon will appear in the dock. Right-click the icon, go to Options and select Keep in Dock. Alternatively, you can open Launchpad, type Terminal in the search bar, and then drag its icon directly to your dock. This ensures it's always just one click away, saving you valuable time. Now that you know how to open Terminal, you might want to personalize it. You can customize its appearance, including fonts, colors, and window settings, by going to Terminal in the menu bar and selecting Settings or Preferences. Experiment with different themes to make your command line experience more enjoyable. Remember, the more you use these methods, the faster and more intuitive opening Terminal will become for your daily tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.